Hello everyone, how are you all? Today there is someone to meet you. Do you want to meet them too? Yes? This is Mishi and Chiku. They are brother and sister and they are playing in their toy room. This is Mishi's mama and Mishi's papa. They went into their toy room with very amazing cake. Mishi and Chiku asked, "Wow, it looks amazing. Why we are having this?" Mama said, "Because it is 15th of August and today is India's birthday." India's birthday? Mishi asked. How? Papa replied, "It is Independence Day and on Independence Day we celebrate India's birthday." But what do you know what does independence means? Independence means freedom. When we have everything to do independently, we have freedom to do everything independently. It is called independence. But does India have all the freedom from the beginning? No. So let's learn a story. Many years back, India was called Sone ki Chidiya because India was counted as one of the wealthiest country in all over the world. After some time, Britishers came to India. Earlier, they came here with an intention to trade, but very soon they took control all over India and started teasing people. Very soon, India became their slave. They started teasing people and snatch everything whatever India's kings have. Indians have no freedom to do anything or go anywhere or do whatever they feel like. Freedom fighters. Freedom fighters are the people who fought for us, who fought for our freedoms with Britishers and asked them to leave India and go back to their home. Now, let us see some of the freedom fighters who fought for our freedom. Bhagat Singh, a very well-known name in the list of freedom fighters who fought for India. His slogan was Inqilab Zindabad. This great lady, Rani Lakshmibai, fought very bravely with the Britishers with the baby on her back. Lala Lajpat Rai was another freedom fighter. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who gave slogan of Jai Hind, and another slogan was "You give me blood and I will give you freedom." Mahatma Gandhi, who is also known as the father of the nation, and we call him Bapu. These all are the freedom fighters who fought for our freedom. There are many more freedom fighters who are unsung but have helped us for our freedom. And finally, on 15th of August 1947, after many years of fighting, India got its independence and Britishers left India. India got free. This is the map of India, and these three colors present the national flag colors: saffron, white, green, and in between there is a Ashoka chakra with 24 spokes. Saffron color indicate the strength of the country. The middle white color indicates the peace, while Ashoka chakra indicates truth and dharma. Green color indicates the fertility and the growth of the land. In India, there are many religions, but we are considered one great nation. We have Sikh, we have Muslim, we have South Indians, North Indians, Christian, Buddhism, Jainism, but all the religion celebrate this great festival because it is India's festival and we all live in this great nation which is called India. So Mishi and Chiku understands it. Right, Mishi? So what promise will you do on this day? Mishi said, I promise I will eat my food independently from today. And what about you, Chiku? Mama asked. Chiku replied, I promise I will brush my teeth independently because this is Independence Day and we need to promise something to do independently which gives us freedom. So, tell me children, what promise will you going to make with your parents? Think about it and tell it to your mummy papa. Happy Independence Day! Jai Hind!